one thing I never heard in my entire upbringing through the end of my college in India was follow your passion, something that is ubiquitous in this country here. And so I early in my career, I worked in a power plant. So I was checking circuit breakers, balancing rotors, dusting switchgear even. And then at a control valve company, I tested for leaks and vibrations. And then came a sweeter assignment. I worked in a confectionery plant and I was tuning controllers to keep candy crisp and toffee smooth. But the point is the stakes weren't always that sweet. At a medical device company, I worked on cardiac catheters. I mean, these are lifelines for surgeons. I mean, life and death, accuracy and accountability needs to be maintained in the clean room. So this testing, tuning, checking, just over and over and over again, made me realize that engineering, like life, is mostly unglamorous. But that's where you have a column or a cantilever or a cathedral or a civilization stands or falls. And that's where the true vocational meaning emerges. It is in this duty-bound, diligent, otherwise boring enterprise that keeps the world going. You truly understand the meaning of it.